Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for all new users of BingX. If you're looking to kickstart your trading journey, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the BingX New User Bonus. This fantastic bonus is designed to offer a warm welcome to everyone who joins the platform. When you sign up as a new user on BingX, you have the chance to receive exclusive bonuses that can enhance your trading experience. This means more trading power, more opportunities, and ultimately, a more rewarding experience right from the start. Now, how can you ensure you get this bonus? It's simple. When you register, make sure to enter the referral code CHUCHU. This code not only unlocks your new user bonus, but also gives you access to special features that can maximize your trading potential. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you position yourself to take full advantage of what BingX has to offer. But wait, there's more. Using the code CHUCHU not only benefits you, but also helps us grow our community here at Crypto Horizon. It's a win-win situation. With your exclusive new user bonus, you can explore various trading pairs, learn about cryptocurrency markets, and gain insights that will help you make informed decisions. Imagine starting your trading journey with extra resources at your fingertips. The BingX New User Bonus is your gateway to explore the exciting world of digital assets. It's an amazing opportunity that you definitely don't want to miss out on. So, if you're ready to dive in, visit BingX today, create your account, enter the referral code CHUCHUANG, and watch your trading journey take flight. Remember, every great trader started somewhere, and with the right tools and resources, you'll be on your way to success in no time. Thank you for joining us at Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights and tips on cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.